Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So glad that you're here today. I have some really exciting news. So for the first time in a couple of years, actually going back to Europe, and this time to Scotland. And I'm going to be gone for 6 weeks. 6 weeks total. 5 in Edinburgh and 1 week in London. So I hope to post weekly vlogs about the adventures that I get up to, a little bit of thrifting, and of course what all I'll be snacking on the whole trip. So I'm really glad you found this video. Please subscribe below. So aside from covering what I'm going to be doing weekly, also going to be covering how I'm able to work abroad, what we do, how we're able to afford it, along with our house here. And I'll take you through, as much of that as you kind of are interested in. And I also will be just taking you around to all the different sites that I visit while I'm over there. I'm also going to be showing you what I am packing at the end of this. So usually I just pack a carry-on, and I've done a carry-on for 3+ weeks in Ireland, and I've traveled around Europe in just a carry-on, but this time I actually have the luxury of having a home base in Edinburgh. So that's fantastic, and so I'm bringing a lot more, many suitcases full of general working from home stuff, such as a second monitor and a whole bunch of camera equipment that I normally wouldn't be bringing. So it's kind of a luxury, and I'm pretty excited about it. So with that, let's move on to the packing portion. Okay, so now we're on to the packing portion of this vlog. Okay, so that's 5 pairs of pants, which include 1 pair of jeans, 1 pair of dress pants, 1 pair of black jeans, 1 skirt, in this case a faux leather one, and 1 pair of joggers. Okay, and then 7 basic tops. I have 1 lightweight blouse. I have a bodysuit, and then a maroon long sleeve tee, a black turtleneck, and a sleeveless knit, along with 2 t-shirts, 1 plain black and 1 graphic tee. Now moving on to my top layering pieces, I have a super oversized warm sweater, and then a open front long cardigan that will work with leggings. Then I have a dressy button front sweater, a comfortable blazer, and a scarf. Now, if you haven't noticed so far, all of these are very neutral, and they all can be layered and mix and matched with everything else. Adding on to that, I have 3 workout outfits, which include 3 pairs of leggings and 3 sports bras with 3 tanks. Now, before moving on to shoes, I'd like to mention that I probably will be wearing one of these athletic outfits on the plane, along with the oversized sweater. Okay, shoes. So I will be wearing the large UGG boots on the plane. They're just too big to pack. I always wear them on the plane if I'm taking them anywhere. Then I have some Sam Edelman rain boots that are really cute and comfortable, but also rains a lot over in Scotland, so I'm sure they're going to be getting a lot of wear. Then I have my athletic workout shoes and a pair of black loafers that are going to go with pretty well everything, And then also a pair of plaid shoes that will also go with pretty well anything. Also, they're fleece lined and very comfortable. And then to finish it off, I have a lightweight throw on casual knit jacket and a heavy, warm Columbia rain wind resistant jacket. Note that the Columbia also has a hood. It's really important. I wouldn't take a jacket without a hood since it rains quite a bit there. Okay, so now we're going to move on to what my husband is packing for Scotland. Okay, so 3 pairs of pants, 1 pair of jeans, 1 pair of gray dress pants, and 1 pair of brown chinos. Next up is a few base layers. We have 2 white tees, 1 completely plain, 1 with a pocket, and then 3 colored t-shirts, maroon, gray, and navy, and also 1 long sleeve maroon t-shirt. Next up is layering pieces for sweaters. You have 2 fairly plain navy and blue, and then you have a quarter zip that's extra heavy in dark gray, and then a light gray that has some visual interest and some like knit stripes built into it. Next, there's 2 vests, 1 casual quilted and 1 navy dress vest. So this includes 3 button-ups, 1 completely white, 1 maroon plaid, and 1 light blue brown that has kind of a micro pattern. Wrapping up the clothes, we have 1 casual brown zip front jacket, 1 Newsboys hat, I might wear that too, and 1 navy blazer. Okay, finishing with accessories and shoes. Okay, we have 1 gold tie, 2 belts, gray and brown, a pair of fleece-lined Ugg boots, and a pair of fleece-lined loafers. Okay, so I thought I'd show you a couple oddball things that we're taking. I'm taking a organizational cube because there's not much organizational room in the place that we're renting. Then I'm also taking one of these over-the-door organizers to hold like bathroom products because European bathrooms are notoriously small. I'm also taking these like shout color catchers because I don't know if I can get them over there. And liquid IB. Passion fruit, it's the best flavor.